Welcome back, Star Glazers, to 30 weight bags in 30 days. And today, we're reaching for the stars. I'm creating a bag that shines brighter than a full moon on Halloween night. Welcome to the Star Bag, a star of the show, literally. This design came out looking so cool. I added a silver chain that connects to each other like a pentagon. According to vampire movies, silver is one of the things a vampire is scared of, so I brought that into this design. Also, the Ankara actually has straight line patterns, but I wanted the effect of a shooting star, so I arranged the lines on the Ankara to look slant to kind of get that effect. I don't know if you notice or see the stripes. I hope you love it. Would you rock a star bag on a dinner night? Or is this star shining too bright for you? Let me know in the comments. And tomorrow, we're going way back into the past. Let's say to the early 90s. Make sure you don't miss it. We're time traveling to the past. Let's go!